Hello guys, welcome to Chiomas kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare Nigerian porridge beans. Let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to like my video, watch, share, subscribe to my channel. For those that have subscribed, God bless you. And for those that have not subscribed, please do. As you do, God bless you. Always hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I am uploading a new video. Let's get started. I will not forget to introduce my ingredients. I have my parboiled beans, my crayfish, salt, my red onions, the chicken we will use to garnish the beans, my ground pepper, garlic, ginger, tomatoes inside this bowl, and my red oil. Let's move to the cooking gas. Pararara, Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. I can't wait to eat these beans. I start by putting my red oil into the pot. We allow this to heat for 2 minutes. I'll cover the pot so that it will not, the smoke will not fill my kitchen. We allow to heat for 2 minutes. Yes, so this red oil has good aroma. This red oil has good aroma. I put my chopped onions into the oil. Allow it to marinate very well for another 2 minutes. The onions have marinated very well. You pour in your tomatoes, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, and ground onions into the oil. You allow this to cook for another 3 minutes. Yes, so I put my stock, crayfish, salt into it. I'll not add all the salt. I'll check if the salt is okay. You can see. We'll cover this for it to cook for 3 minutes. Yes. Wow, the smell is wonderful inside my kitchen. The aroma everywhere in my kitchen. Wow, Chiomas kitchen. And I put my boiled beans into it. Yes. When I turn and add water to the level. You see, I've added my water into it, and I'll test for salt if it's okay. The salt is okay. You know, beans does not want too much salt. Yes, everything is okay. I'll now allow for it to cook for 5 minutes. Our beans will be ready to serve. Yes, Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, share my video, watch my video. Oh, this kitchen is wonderful kitchen. Queue into this kitchen if you've not subscribed. Queue into it, Chiomas kitchen. She will give you the delicacy you want. Yes, so we cover. Hi guys, our beans is ready now. You can see. Wow, Chiomas kitchen. Lovely kitchen. You can see after 5 minutes, this is the outcome of the beans. This beans, you can eat it with plantain, ripe plantain. You can eat it with unripe plantain. You can eat it with white yam. You can eat it with yam inside. You can eat it with Irish potato. You can use it to eat a lot of things. You can use it to do your breakfast in the morning. Understand? With your pap, akamu. That is what I will use to knack these beans. You see, these beans is ready. Yes, I can't wait to eat it, and I can't wait to taste it. Like my video, share, subscribe. Always hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I'm uploading a new video. You can see the beans. This is the outcome. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, so we turn off our gas. I will now dish out. Wow, 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 wow. This is our porridge beans served with grilled chicken. You see? Look at the outcome. It's wonderful. I can't wait to test. You people know Chiomas kitchen. She will always test her food. So I will test to know whether it's okay before I can serve my guests and children. Wow, wow. This is lovely. This porridge beans is lovely. I like it with my gari, Ijabu gari. I like it with my pap. I like it with my agege bread. That's rhyming. You should eat this beans with agege bread, yeah. Yeah. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you will give it a try, and don't forget to like my video, share, watch, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I'm uploading a new video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a lovely channel, a lovely kitchen. You will not want to miss out of any cooking recipe. Love you guys. Ciao. See you in my next video. Bye.